Once you've set up the mission within the drone, including the altitude, overlaps and ground sampling distance, the drone flies the mission and captures imagery with its 5-direction oblique feature. What it then produces after the task has been completed is a 3D model which can be output to CAD, GIS and BIM software, but we also use an online visualization tool which is what allows you to measure as well, called Nira. With Nira you can measure lines, or you can measure specific areas, and it allows you to zoom in and out to capture them accurately as well. The model itself is centimetre level accuracy because we use the Matrice 4 Enterprise and its RTK module along with the DRTK base station. For inspection, identification and reporting, you can use the model to identify defects and examine the photos that are used to comprise the model. On the left here is the model itself, and on the right and the bottom are the photos that are used to comprise that section of the model. You can zoom in to have a closer look at the issue you've spotted, give it a type, a severity level, and also you can make specific comments about the defect that you would want to put in the final report. Once all the callouts have been saved and identified, you can then generate a report, and the PDF report will download with all the different callouts, sections, severity, pictures attached to them with the coordinates of the actual issue as well, and all your comments on. Nira will save the callouts and any measurements, and these can be collaborated on with other members or clients as well.